Is lockout tagout always necessary for electrical plumbing work? Imagine working on a water heater or a pump near a sink and suddenly getting a shock. That's why understanding when lockout tagout procedures are needed is so important. Lockout tagout procedures are mainly used when maintenance or repairs involve electrical parts that could turn on unexpectedly. If a circuit or device is energized, it can cause serious injury. So, if you are working on electrical plumbing systems like water pumps, control panels, or water heaters, lockout tagout is usually required. The main goal of lockout tagout is to stop electricity from flowing while you work. This involves physically locking or tagging the circuit breaker or disconnect switch to make sure no one accidentally turns it back on. This is especially important around water because water conducts electricity and increases the risk of shocks or short circuits. There are some exceptions. If the device is plugged into an outlet and you can disconnect it without tools, you might not need a formal lockout tagout. Also, if safety guards are in place and prevent access to energized parts, the procedure might not be necessary. But these are rare cases and need to be carefully checked. When working near water, always treat electrical systems with extra care. Use insulated tools and wear protective gear like rubber gloves and boots. Confirm that the power is off before starting work. Always verify that the circuit is de-energized by testing with a voltage tester. Lockout tagout is the safest way to prevent electrical accidents during plumbing work involving electrical components. It ensures that no one can turn the power back on while you are working. Tagout alone, which is just putting a warning tag on the switch, is less secure and should only be used if lockout devices cannot be applied. Authorized workers must perform the lockout and notify others affected by the work. Regular training and annual inspections help keep everyone safe and procedures correct. In situations where electrical work involves plumbing, especially with water present, strict lockout tagout procedures are almost always needed. They protect you from electrical shocks and prevent dangerous accidents. Remember, safety always comes first when working with water and electricity together.